The system titled TeachTop is operated by two types of users, the admin and the faculty members of Maguinao Elementary School. For attendance, each teacher who has an NFC card like this is expected to tap their NFC card on the NFC reader to confirm their attendance. Admin side, the system requires logging in with a verified admin account. Once logged in, the system directs the admin to the dashboard, where it displays the monthly attendance record of the teachers. And in the attendance module, show the daily attendance log, including option to download or import attendance should the admin need them. In the NFC master list section, displays the registered NFC card. The admin is the one that can register and add a new NFC card from master list by using NFC number and employee ID. The payroll module shows the monthly payroll of the teachers and can only be edited by the admin. And here's the sample of our payroll. On the request section, handle teacher's request, which the admin has the authority to approve or reject the attendance miss or leave credits. On the teacher section, stores the 201 file of the teacher. And here's the sample of the file. Lastly, the credit management section tracks credits earned by teacher for working during special holidays. This credit can be used when taking leave or regular working holidays. And this is the holiday list a year. Now, on the faculty side, each teacher is assigned an individual account to access their personal and professional information. If a teacher doesn't have an account, they are advised to create one, but only under the direct supervision of the admin. To ensure the system remains secure, strict security measures are also in place to prevent unauthorized access. Upon logging in, teachers are taken to their user dashboard. This shows the points they've earned for working during special holidays, their monthly attendance record, including absences and lates, recent activity logs, and reminders. The NFC attendance module on the user side differs from the admin's. It is professionalized to display the teacher's attendance history. For the payroll access, the users enter their password for verification. After authentication, the system displays their mid-month and end-month salary, including any deduction. In the request form section, teachers can submit leave requests or notify the system if they missed an attendance entry. They are requested to provide supporting evidence or a reason for their absence or missed attendance on the specified date. The system also allows the user submit leave requests in case of urgent emergencies. The activity log display the user's recent activities in the system, including those from past days, months, or even years. Finally, in the account settings, user can change only their password. To edit personal profile information, they must request permission for the admin. Side note, while the admin and faculty interface serves different functions, they are a similar design, ensuring ease of use while maintaining their respective purpose.